Hello friends, welcome to Madilkekers Academy. Today we are studying fourth exercise of pair of linear equations in two variables, which is based on elimination method. In elimination method, what we have to do exactly is we have to make the coefficient of any variable same, and in the next step decide whether to add or subtract. It's a very simple method. Question number 1. Solve the following pair of linear equations by elimination method and by substitution method. So this particular question is to be solved by both the methods, elimination as well as substitution method. Substitution we had studied in detail in exercise 3.3. So first bit is x plus y equals to 5. Let this be equation 1. The second equation is 2x minus 3y equals to 4. If we multiply first equation by 3, then both y coefficients will be same, both y terms will be same, and as their signs are different, plus and minus, we have to add both equations. After adding, 3y will get cancelled, x will remain. So from that we can find the value of x. So multiplying equation 1 by 3 and adding with equation 2. So first equation becomes 3x plus 3y equals to 15. Second equation we have to write it as it is, 2x minus 3y equals to 4. Adding, 3y gets cancelled. So 3x plus 2x is 5x. 15 plus 4 is 19. So what is the value of x? Right, it is 19 by 5. Now substitute this value of x in any one of the equation, whichever is convenient. Substituting x, here let us say we'll substitute it in equation 1, that is x plus y equals to 5. So 19 by 5 plus y equals to 5. As we have to find the value of y, take 19 by 5 to the right side. LCM is 5. So 25 minus 19 is 6. So in this way, we get the value of y. Now let's solve the same example by second method, that is substitution method. Recall what we have done in substitution method. Yes, we used to find the value of any one variable and substitute it in the other equation. So in this, from equation 1, we can write y as 5 minus x. Substituting this value of y in equation 2. So 2x minus 3 into y is 5 minus x equals to 4. That is 2x minus 15 plus 3x equals to 4. That is 5x equals to 19. Means x is 19 by 5. You will get same answer whether you solve it by substitution method, elimination method, or later on we are going to study cross multiplication method. You will get the same answers. Substituting x in any one of the equation, or you may say let us substitute in equation 1. So y is 5 minus x. So x y is 5 minus 19 by 5. So it gives y equals to 6 by 5. Now let's switch to second bit. From now, we'll discuss only elimination method. Second bit. This example also we have to solve by both the method, elimination as well as substitution method. But from now, we'll solve the further questions only by elimination method, because we had studied substitution method in detail in the previous exercise. So here the first equation is 3x plus 4y equals to 10, equation 1. Second equation, 2x minus 2y equals to 2. You first decide which variable we want to eliminate first. So if we multiply, in this example, if we multiply the second equation by say 2, then it will take the form 4x minus 4y equals to 4. And as you can see, y terms are same and are in opposite signs. They can be cancelled. So we'll remain with x term. So multiplying equation 2 by 2 and adding with equation 1. So 3x plus 4y equals to 10. 4x minus 4y equals to 4. On adding, 4y gets cancelled. So 3x plus 4x is, yes, 7x, and to the right side it is 14. From this, x is 2. Let us substitute this value of x in equation 2. Substituting x in equation 2. So it is 2 into 2 minus 2y equals to 2. So 4 minus 2y equals to 2. So what is the value of y? Yes, it is 1. Substitution method you solve yourself. Third bit. In this, first equation is 3x minus 5y minus 4. Second equation is 9x equals to 2y plus 7. So the given equations are to be first rearranged. So let us write them as 3x minus 5y, take minus 4 to the right side. So this is your first equation. In second equation, take y term to the left side. So it is 9x minus 2y equals to 7. What you can observe in these two equations? Yes, correct. Here, x can be eliminated easily. If we multiply first equation by 3, then x terms will be same. And on subtracting, they will get cancelled. So, multiply equation 1 by 3 and subtracting equation 2 from it. So 9x minus 15y equals to 12. Second equation we have to write it as it is, equals to 7. As we are subtracting, change the signs of all the terms of second equation. In this way 9x gets cancelled. Minus 15 and plus 2 is minus 13. 12 minus 7 is 5. So here the value of y is minus 5 by 13. Now let us substitute this value of y in equation 1. So from equation 1 we have 3x equals to 4 plus 5y. So 3x equals to 4 plus 5 into y is minus 5 by 13. That is 4 minus 25 by 13. So 13 into 4 is 52. 52 minus 25 is 27. So 3x equals to 27 by 13. So x is 9 by 13. So these are the required values of x and y. In fourth bit, two equations. The terms in the given equations are in fractions. So let us first simplify them and convert them into ax plus by equals to c form. So from the first equation, if we take LCM 6, then equation becomes 3x plus 4y equals to minus 1. That is 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. Let this be equation 1. Now second equation, here you will take LCM 3. So it becomes 3x minus y equals to 3, or you can multiply directly the given equation by 3 also. So it is 3x minus y equals to 9. This is your second equation. As you can observe, both have same x terms. So only we need is to subtract. Subtracting equation 2 from equation 1. So 3x plus 4y equal to minus 6. 3x minus y equals to 9. To subtract, change the signs of terms of second equation. So in this way, 3x gets cancelled. 4y plus y is 5y. 6 minus 6 and minus 9 is minus 15. Therefore, y is minus 3. Substituting y in, say, equation 1. So 3x plus 4 into y is minus 3 equals to minus 6. That is 3x minus 12 equal to minus 6. 3x equals to 6, and so x equals to 2. So these are the required values of x and y.